On today's virtual tour, we show you how you can transport your 1990s kitchen into a 2017 Marvel. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today's Project Complete virtual tour is Kitchen Crate Jeremy Court in Atwater. What I really want to talk about on this project is the fact that we transported this 1990s kitchen into the current design trend. So let's jump into a few of the details. One of the first things I think you'll notice about this project is the beautiful granite countertops. We do a lot of quartz countertops, and quartz is great, but there's something about granite, the veining, the texture to it, that really pops well and just has a completely different look than the more monochromatic quartz. And so another thing I want to point out on this project is the new door and drawer faces. The majority of the cabinets were painted kind of a creamy white color, and you'll see a two-tone color accent at the island. It's actually a Kellymore color called Stiletto and really adds a cool dark base to that island area. Another thing to point out is we removed these overhead fluorescent lights. We put in recessed LED dimmable can lights, and we pulled this all together at the backsplash with a really cool marble backsplash and a matching corresponding grout color there as well. And finally, you'll notice that old pantry area was torn out and replaced with a built-in custom cabinet pantry area. For more information on this project, visit kbcrate.com or give us a call, 888-995-7996. Please visit it. Yeah.
Okay, ready to go.
Color on the island. The second, sorry. Action. Monday with Kitchen Crate and Bath. Kitchen and Bath, sorry. I don't say my name at all, right? On today's virtual tour?
Yes.